In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Google Pay two-factor problem. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. And if not, try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and that should fix your problem. If not, you might want to simply go ahead and head into your Google account security and then enable two-step verification, because if you've not, then it is going to go ahead and cause problems in the future. Also check that your device date and time is already set to automatic date and time, because it does interfere with 2FA. The other thing you want to do, make sure to go ahead and allow messages from Google, which is going to be in SMS settings. Also try a different verification method like Authenticator app, backup codes, or something else. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and update your Google Play services or your Google Pay account. None of it works, then you might need to simply go ahead and clear your cache, turn off your VPN, or even contact Google support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.